Hello students, today we will learn about input and output devices. A human body is made up of different parts. Each part has a special work to do. In the same way, a computer is made up of different parts. All these parts together make a computer work. The parts of a computer are divided into three main categories: input devices, output devices, storage devices. Let us first talk about the input devices. The devices which are used to enter data into a computer are called input devices. Some of the common input devices are as follows. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers, and special symbols. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons on it. It is used to point, move, and select any item on the computer screen or monitor. A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Microphone. A microphone is used to record voice and different sounds into a computer. It also helps us to talk to our friends through internet. Now let us talk about the output devices. These devices are used to display and give the final output. Some of the most common output devices are described below. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also displays the results. Printer. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. It can be used to take both black and white or colored printouts. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. The commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet, laser. Speakers. Speakers allow us to listen to music and hear any sound stored on a computer. Headphones. Headphones are used to listen to sounds from a computer or a music player without disturbing others. Headphones consists of one speaker for each ear, connected by a band over the head. Students, let me tell you about the storage devices. A computer uses many devices to store important data and information in the computer. These are called storage devices. The most common storage devices are hard disk. Hard disk is like a rectangular box. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can store huge amount of data. CD or DVD. A CD or DVD is round in shape. It helps you to store large amount of data. A DVD stores more data than a CD. It is also used for listening music and watching movies. Pen drive. A pen drive stores data that can be further copied to any other computer. As the pen drive is small in size, it is easy to carry along. It is also known as flash drive.